All right, guys, in this video, I am going to show you how to add the current year into the footer so that you don't have to update it every single year. So if we go to pages, actually, no, not pages. We want to go to, I'm using the Elementor theme. So we're going to go into templates, theme builder, and go to my footer. I only have one footer. If you have multiple footers, you can do this to every single footer that you have, but we're going to edit with Elementor. And right down here, I want to recreate all of this, but make it so that instead of manually going in every year and writing the new year, I just want this to automatically show the current year. So this is a text box. So first thing you want to do is go ahead and duplicate that because we're going to edit it in the second one. Because the second one, what we're going to do, we're actually going to change it to dynamic tag. You're going to go down to site, current date time. You're going to click current date time, and we're going to do custom. Here, type in Y for year, and then go into advanced, and it gives you the option to type stuff into the before section and the after section, which is before and after that year. And this is where we're going to get information from the text box above. This is where this comes in handy. So click the one above, go to text, everything right before the year. Like that, go ahead and copy it, Control C. Let's go back into here, this other one. And so under advanced, for the before section, we're just going to paste that information. So now we have that part. It's nice and bold. And then we're going to do the same thing for the after part. So I'm going to go back here to edit. I'm going to click on text, and I'm going to highlight everything after that 2020, like that. Copy. Go back into here, click this, go to the after part, and paste. So we have now recreated that, and this is now going to be the current year. So this will always update to the most current year. So that saves a lot of time. You don't have to worry about that no longer. Now this above, we can delete that one. So now we're just left with the dynamic tag where we have the current year, custom, Y, and then for advanced, we have this in the before and then this in the after. That's it for that. And now do this for every single footer. Go ahead and hit update. Let's preview. Preview. Okay, looks good. Everything is done. Now we can exit and then view the site just to make sure. I always like to hit update. Scroll on down, and boom, there we have it. This will automatically change every single year now.